Hey there, it's Colleen. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add colored backgrounds to alternating sections on an index page. As you know, these are really popular, these long scrolling index pages are, and we often use images. And while that's great, images can really weigh your page down, even if you're using them, highly optimized. The more you have, the more weight you're adding to your page, the longer it's going to take your page to load, and that's going to ultimately affect your SEO. Now, the traditional way that people are doing this to add colored backgrounds is to actually create a banner image in a solid color that they want to use. And that works great. So instead of this picture of the snowy forest, I'd be uploading a big huge 2500 pixel wide image of green, or blue or whatever color I wanted. And like I said, that's great, but why complicate things? Let's give the web what it wants. And what the web wants is code. And it's really easy. There's no reason to be afraid of this. Now, first and foremost, you see I've got myself an image here. And this is on a long scrolling index page. I want to change this to just a dark gray color. So first, I'm going to come into Custom CSS under the Design tab. Now, don't be afraid. This is so simple. I'm going to click on this. And you see I already have some custom CSS in here. First, before we do anything, we're going to click on Settings. And we're going to see what the URL slug is of our post. And as you see, ours is featured-post. Just close that because you want to, make sure that you remember that. And write it down if you have to. The first thing to do is we're going to add a hashtag, then the name of our page. Then we're going to add curly brackets. Click Enter and type in background color, the colon, and I'm just going to do 515151. That's a six decimal hexadecimal code, semicolon, and you're done. Click Save. You see nothing's changed, and that's okay. Next, we're going to hop right back over to the settings. We're going to come down here to Advanced, and this is a premium feature, so you won't be able to do this on the basic personal Squarespace plan. You'll be able to do it on any other plan except for the very basic one. And here you're going to want to add a style. And then here you do again featured post, background color, and then click Save. Now as you see, nothing's going to change yet. It's still going to be there. That's because we have to remove the image. Let's go into Settings, go into Media, remove the image, and click Save. And there you have it. Now we have a nice dark gray background. And you can do this with any alternating banner. I can do it here as well. And that's just going to help us speed up our pages and give Google what it wants, which is quick, fast, easy loading. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, just hit me in the comment.